Hi guys, how are you? We're back to the loaf side. We're gonna finish it today, review everything, and take the last case of ambiguous case. The ambiguous, as we said, when we have two given sides. For the students who never watched us before, let me get my mouse, and to make a quick review, 2-minute review for all what we did. Okay. But don't forget, if you like, subscribe us. Then our class, the left side for the last class, is about the ambiguous case. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Just a quick, let us go over what we did before. What we did before, we have the first two cases. This all what we did before. The left side, the objective is to find the length of the three sides, find the measure of all the three angles, find the area of the triangle. The case when we have two angles given, and we're looking for the third angle, which is easy. All what you have to do, add these two angles, add these two angles, add these two angles, 180 minus the sum, for both cases, for either this case or this case. And after that you apply left side, which is A over sine A, B over sine B, or you can take what? Any other choice, which is A over sine A, C over sine C, or I'm doing this for some students, they never work, and B over sine B, and C over sine C. You can apply any two proportions to go and solve for what you want. Now, and we had two examples for this. Go back to my YouTubes and you will okay, and review this one. Okay. Okay. Now, after that, the ambiguous case, we have too many cases. Either one triangle form, or two triangles form, or two triangles, or no triangle, or one triangle form. And yesterday I discussed the no triangle way. Now, the key to solve this problem is this guy, B sine A. Look here, and I use B. Look here, you have two sides given, this side given, and this side given, and this angle, right? Then we're gonna take what? This is side A, and this side B. If you have B here, this A, right? And if this is this A and this is B and this is C, then this is B and this side A. Look here, B side A. Whatever this side, C side this angle, whatever this side, you take it. Then this is the key point. B side A, which is mean the edge, the height of the triangle. The height of the triangle. You compare the height of the triangle to that side A, and that gives you no triangle can be formed if this guy less than this guy. And we had this problem. I'm going to back the problem. And the key is going to be like this case. Case 2. Okay. The same thing. You have to find B side A. Look here, 2, right? This is A, angle A. And this angle A. And this B. Then B side A. Is that equal to the height? This one, what here, the triangle is right triangle. Go back to my tube, just case 3. If B sine A, which is the B sine A, the same thing, equal H. But here we have, look here, A greater than B, and B greater than A. Then A greater than the height. A has to be greater than the height. A greater than the height. And A less than the B, that's two triangles. That's what I'm gonna do it today. Okay. Look, let me back to my board. Then, but if B less than A and A is greater, then what? But still what here? A, and we said this is the height. Okay, let me back to my board and see this example. This is the low side, what we did yesterday, example one. Example one was this example 2. You can go to the YouTube 3 and see all the notes for this law of sine 3. Now let me just take this example. Take this example. Okay. This example, we have triangle. Example, look here. We have two sides given. C equal 15 and B equal 10. That, let me just make it smaller. C equal 15, which is side, and B equal 10, B equal 10, and the angle, let us graph this triangle first. Try, and we don't know, but let us draw. Let us make believe this C, this side C, this C, angle C, and this side C equal 15, and angle this B here, B, A here in the top, and B, and this side B equal 10. Then when you graph, you will figure out. And angle C equal 35. Angle, we need this, right? This angle equal 35 degree. Then we're gonna do, look here, at the side, this C, side what B, look here, and compare it to the what, which is H. Then the height of this triangle, look here, and to see it clearly from both sides. Let me just draw something for you here, from here to here, and see what I mean. Maybe this make it clear, like what, if you back to the note, and let me color it, this guy, okay. This, if you multiply, this is the height. This is my height. Then H equal, look at C sine B. Then when you find H, you compare it to which one? To this guy, right? To that side, this side. Okay.
Should start where I left off.
But no, I don't need to find it from here. Okay. Yes. Yes. Right. Sorry guys, H equals C sine B. C is 15, sine 35, and this gives you about use the calculator, use your calculator, 8.6. Now 8.6, which is the height. Then 8.6, this be right. Now the rules, he'll say, now h, right? Right, now h is equal 8.6, which is less than, why am I less than, like this? Less than 10, which is the third side. Also, the 10 less than this guy C, which is 10 less than 15. Then we have two triangle formed. Look back here, see what I have here. The rule, okay. F, right, A, you see that? A greater than H, which is what we have, and A less than, this side less than B. Okay, then how many triangles we have formed? Two triangles formed. Okay, how we find these triangles? Then we have two triangles. How you find these triangles? Now we're gonna apply law of sine. Law of what? Law of sine. Law of sine. Okay. Law of sine first. Now let us apply the first C over sine C. You can find the angle C. This is the idea here. Just watch. C sine C. C, we're looking for angle C. Sine C over C equal sine B over B. Now we're looking for sine C. Multiply both sides by C because we have C. Multiply this by C and this by C. Okay, sine C equal sine B over B times C. Time what? C. Everything, I have everything. Sine B, sine 35 over B is 10 and C is 15. Okay, let me just find sine C. Then I'm gonna do sine inverse. Then I'm gonna do the sine what? Inverse. Okay, let me just separate this. I think this is nice. Okay, here, like this on this side. Okay, multiply sine 15 divided by 10. I'm using my calculator. 1.5 times sine 35. Always make sure when you have degree 0.86. Sine 8c. Sine 8c. Sine C. Now, if you remember, guys, in one of my tricks, when I explain for you guys the solving a trig equation, I told you we have two answers, right? You remember that, guys? 0.86. If you go back to the solving trig equation, I told you guys when we have an trig equation, we have two answers because sine is positive in two quadrants. You remember that? The sine is positive. The sine is positive. The sine is positive. Okay, in two quadrants, right? Now we have here the sine, only this case, and here the sine, we go here C equal sine inverse 0.86, yeah, right? Then which is second sine inverse in my calculator of 0.86 is 59 degree. This is the first answer, which is 59 point, is about 36, 59.36 degree, which is in which quadrant? In the first quadrant here, right? 59.6. This is the first case. 36. 59.36. The second case, the sign is positive here. You can have it here, but you have to take from here to there. Because this already 59, then this guy 180 minus 59.36, which is 59.36, which is 120, this 120. Then we have two triangles. One of them has can be formed. One of them, we have 35 and 59, right? Let us take the first case. Then we divide our port like this. We have two cases. The first case with this angle, C35, you remember? And B35, and C we just found 59.36. Then A is what, A guys, equal 180 minus 180 minus 180 minus the sum of these two, 35 plus 59.36. Then 180 minus 35 minus 59.36, 85. A equal what? 85.64. The second case, this is the first one. This is what first case. Two here. We have the same B is what now? B35. But see now the other choice, which is 120.64. Now the third angle A equal 180 minus these two guys, 35 plus 120.64, 180 minus 35 minus 120.64, which is A equal 24 degree. Okay, 36 degree. Now we have two cases, as we mentioned. Let me show you how I'm going to graph. Okay. Almost done, guys. The first triangle, I'm going to graph. Okay, shape, triangle. This triangle, this acute triangle. Okay, just now A 24 and one of them 120. This is the acute triangle, right? Then this guy is gonna be like this, 120, and this. I think this is gonna be not bad, right? Right, guys? Not bad. Okay. Let's make it bigger. Okay, you see that, guys? Hold on. A. How many minutes they have?
1.
No, I need more time. How many minutes have we done?
20.
No, I need more. Let me just finish the problem. In this case, easier. Now, which one? A is 24. This A. this A, and B is 35, and this is 24.38 degree, and this my big angle, which is C, and this is B, 120.64. Now I know this guy B is C is 15, which is true, right? Okay, let me just make it in different color. C is 15. I need C is 15, which is this side, and B is 10, which is this side, right? And this side we can find it easily, which is A over sine 35. Sine 35 equal B, right? Which is C over, or you can be 10 over B sine B, right? 10 over sine 35. A over sine, I'm sorry, this side 35 here, and A over 24.38. Now A equal, you multiply, A equal 10 over sine 35 times sine 24, you cross multiply, 0.38. Then 10 divided by sine 35 times sine 24.38. Just keep updating all the time. Then 7.2. 7.248. Now for the other case, this is the first triangle. That's acute triangle. I'm gonna take this guy, copy, paste, and put it here. But we're gonna fix it a little bit and change the color to be green. And now A is, which one? This guy. This guy I'm gonna make it a little smaller, right? And which is, we need to find, because A, this 35, and A is a little bigger like this. Okay, and this guy A, H5, a little bigger. I'm gonna make it a little bigger, because it's almost right, a little bit bigger. Let me just, I think this is good. 85.64, and we know B is 35, and this guy is, we know C is C how much? C, the angle C, which is A, B, C, B theory, C 59.36. 59.36. 59.36. Oh. Now A is 10 and C is 15. A is 10 and C is 15. We're looking, right? We're looking for B here, right? We're looking for what? B over sine B equal A over sine A, and you solve for, you have everything, just need to make space. We're looking for B. B is how much? We need it. Sine 35 equal A is 10 sine 85.60. How much? 68, 64. This 64. This is 64. Okay, multiply both sides by what? Sine 64. Multiply both sides by sine 35. Sine 35. And get the 10 divided, use your calculator, sine 85.6, okay, equal 10 times sine 35, enter 5.7, 5.7. Okay guys, that's all what we have for law of sine. I think this case, I'm gonna try to get more example. You see the example takes a long time from me. I wish I did it clearly, but still if you have any question you can contact me and you can send me a messages to my phone or to my email. Thank you and have a nice day.